can take this. Take one packet. No, 2 packets. Oh, kg usually kg wise. I don't know. How much 1 kg? 150. Give 5, 6 kg. We'll all eat.
Can let me explain one of those fruits, no?
Yeah. No. Give us give 1 kg first. So this is our local fruit, na? And it's called?
Because of me.
I used to eat this as a small child when I was studying in school here in Shillong. So we had one tree in the house. Okay, so we used to eat that. So you get this from the forest, isn't it? Or you have your own farm? You have a farm? This is from the house or from the forest? Forest, no? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Where's